Hikeerz. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a loop cut in Blender. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left of my screen, so anything I do will show up there. With that being said, let's get into the video. To add a loop cut in Blender, it's really simple. All you have to do is select the object you want to use the feature on, tab into edit mode by clicking tab, or tapping tab or on your keyboard. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold shift and tap R. Right now it looks like nothing's happened, but as you hover your mouse around edges, there's this little yellow line, which you can't tell right now because of the view I'm looking at the object in, but this is going around the whole shape, or the whole cube. So let's say I'm trying to make an hourglass, right? I would make the loop cut vertically, and then I would be able to scale this in to make the hourglass shape, which can be useful for more than just an hourglass, but this is just the first example that I could think of. There's plenty of more uses for this. And to cancel loop cuts, all you have to do is right click if you didn't want to do it. Like if you meant to do shift R for something else. If you found this video useful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye-bye.